Kids is a Spongebob fruit snacks. Oh boy, Spongebob gummies with my face on it?
SpongeBob, hurry up with that. I'm pretty hungry right now.
Did someone say pizza? SpongeBob fruit snacks are made with bone marrow, so you can eat it. Give me a bowl of those.
I really need some SpongeBob gummies to chew on. How about bowl, Mr. Squidward? Meow. This is so awesome.
Hey guys, how are you?
The Krabby Patty secret formula is mine. Well, I can put them in mind control with my helmets. Trying to steal me formula, eh? How about bowl, Mr. Plankton?
My turn.